In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use brushes in Lightroom Classic. Brushes in Lightroom Classic are part of the masking tools and let you paint targeted adjustments like exposure, clarity, and texture, exactly where you want them. To get started, open Lightroom Classic. We'll first install your brush presets so they're ready to use. Head to Preferences. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences. On a Mac, click Lightroom in the top menu, then Preferences. In the Preferences window, select the Presets tab. Here, look for the option that says Show All Other Lightroom Presets, or it may appear as Show Lightroom Presets folder, depending on your version. Click that, and Lightroom will open a Finder window on Mac or an Explorer window on Windows with the right preset directories. In that window, open the Lightroom folder, then find and open the Local Adjustment Presets folder. This is where brush presets live. Now copy and paste your downloaded brush preset files into this folder. Keep the original file names so you can recognize them later. If you have several, it can be helpful to group them into subfolders before copying so they're easier to browse inside Lightroom, but the key is that they end up inside Local Adjustment Presets. Close Lightroom Classic and relaunch it so the new brushes load. This restart is important. Lightroom only reads new local adjustment presets when it starts up. With Lightroom open again, choose a photo and switch to the Develop module. On the right-hand side, locate the masking icon. It's the dotted circle just above the basic panel, and click it. From the masking options, choose Brush. This activates the local adjustment brush, allowing you to paint edits onto specific parts of your image without affecting the entire frame. The brush controls will appear. Look for the preset or custom drop-down at the top of those controls. Click the arrow to open the list, and you should see your newly installed brushes. Select one to load its predefined settings. Each preset is simply a collection of adjustment values, like exposure, contrast, clarity, or color, designed for a particular effect. Now, paint directly on the areas of your photo where you want that effect applied. Take your time and use a soft brush and lower flow for a more natural result, especially around edges. After painting, you can still fine-tune the sliders in the brush panel to dial in the intensity of the preset without repainting. When you're happy, you're done. Your brushes are installed and working, and your localized edits will stay with the photo inside your catalog.